Hello everyone, in today's video, we will explore the 5 major benefits that an automatic bike wash machine can bring to your business. Don't miss out as this benefit will help you save time, reduce costs, and improve your service quality. The first and the most important benefit is saving time. An automatic washing machine can clean a motorcycle in just 2 to 4 minutes. Quickly and efficiently. You won't have to wait long to get your vehicle clean, which help your customers save time and get back to their work or journey. The second benefit is reducing labor costs. With an automatic washing machine, you don't need to hire too many staff to wash vehicles. One machine can operate continuously without direct human intervention, helping your business save on labor costs and increase productivity. Thirdly, consistent service quality. An automatic washing machine ensures consistent service quality for all customers. No matter the skill level of the staff, the machine will always provide a uniform cleaning result, helping you maintain your business reputation and customer satisfaction. The next benefit is saving water and protecting the environment. An automatic washing machine uses water much more efficiently than manual washing method. It not only reduces water waste but also helps you comply with environmental protection regulation, something that more and more customers and authorities are paying attention to. The final benefit is convenient and attracting customers. Customers are increasingly seeking convenience and speed in service, and an automatic bike washing machine is an ideal solution. Not only does it save time, but customers will also feel satisfied with the service quality, leading to repeat business. So, with just one automatic washing machine, your business can save time, reduce costs, improve service quality, protect the environment, and attract customers. If you want to learn more about the automatic washing machine or experience the product, don't hesitate to contact us today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to receive more useful videos. See you in our next videos.